the smart way to keep your food fresh longer. Samsung Digital Inverter Direct Cool Refrigerator. It comes in 11 different colorways: Elegant Inox, Pebble Blue, Saffron Red, Saffron Blue, Starflower Red, Starflower Blue, Mystic Overlay Red, Mystic Overlay Blue, Camellia Purple, Lux Gold, and Lux Purple. It is available in 192 liters, 212 liters and 230 liters. And it is 3-star, 4-star rated for energy saving. It features stylish design, stabilizer-free operation, smart connect inverter and big bottle guard. The softly curved, round-top shape and unique grand door design add a sleek and stylish look to your kitchen. Its inbuilt stabilizer-free operation protects your refrigerator by preventing electrical damage or shorting from voltage fluctuations. The Smart Connect Inverter enables the refrigerator to run on home inverters during power cuts. What you get is significant amount of energy savings, along with long-lasting freshness. Samsung found a new power source, solar energy. Samsung's range of Solar Connect refrigerators is powered by solar energy and runs on solar energy. It lets you save money while protecting the environment. Its big bottle guards on the door are ideal for the thirsty household. They provide easily accessible storage space for large bottles. We design your home and everyday life. Samsung Digital Inverter Direct Cool Refrigerator.